Hey y'all, welcome to Megan's Wreath Boutique. We are on the last step for our St. Patrick's Day bow. This is making a lined alligator clip. So if you haven't watched the first few videos that I posted making this bow or one similar, check down in the description. I'll have links to all the other videos below. But this is just to show how I line my alligator clip. So you're gonna need an alligator clip, a piece of ribbon, it doesn't matter which size, whatever you have on hand. I usually just use a scrap piece that I have, and I'll show you a lighter, scissors, and a glue gun. So if I were to use a larger piece, let's say a 1.5 inch, what I do is I just clip my alligator clip, and I would cut this down and to line my alligator clip. So like I said, it really doesn't matter which size you use. I just have this piece that's long enough, and it's a scrap piece. So my fan's on, so it's blowing this. Okay, so I'm gonna just heat seal this edge, and again, I'm gonna just clip this on. And I'm going to cut this down. This should give me 2 strips. That'll be big enough in the future to line another alligator clip. So basically right down the middle. So now we have a skinnier piece. You're going to want to start at so this is the alligator teeth are on the top, so you're going to want to start on the top part of your clip, right underneath where it pinches together. You're going to put a dab of glue. Stick your ribbon right under there. Glue the top of your clip. Squish that down. I'm gonna go ahead and heat seal this right here so it doesn't fray on me. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna go underneath your clip. Now, you can cut your ribbon here and leave the alligator teeth exposed. I thought that would be the best way for these to stick in my daughter's hair, but actually I have found if you fold this over, it stays, well, for her hair anyways. She has very fine hair, so this works best for me. So if you want to leave your alligator clip exposed, just cut this end off right here and heat seal it. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this under and glue it down because that's the way that works best for my daughter's hair. So put some glue down in the middle and just flip that under. And there you go. There's your lined alligator clip, and you will clip it onto your bow and you should be good to go. I put some ribbon up here because when I clip it to the bottom of my bow, here's my spikes that I'm going to clip it to. I have found that ribbon on ribbon stays better than if you were to just glue this exposed metal onto the ribbon. I've had a couple of my daughter's bows that have just fallen, the alligator clip comes off. So I go ahead and line the whole entire clip just to make it a little more secure. So play around with it, figure out what works best for you. This is what I like to do. And that's it. You just attach everything to your bow and you're good to go. So thank you for watching this quick video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.